Hello guys, it's Njabulo Nkos. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be covering a very important topic on entries. I saw a lot of people who were commenting that they'd like a video on entries. Okay, I hope everybody's accounts are ready so that we can start opening those trades. Okay, firstly I'd like to introduce you guys to my recommended broker, which is Cedar FX. And another thing that I love about Cedar FX is that they plant trees for when you guys are trading. So if you want to make a positive impact on the environment as a whole, I'd recommend the broker Cedar FX. And then for every lot that you are trading, they will plant trees and make a positive impact to the environment. Okay. So guys, when looking for entries, what's important is that you are able to identify breakouts. Okay, so like I said on my previous video, a breakout happens in three stages. It's the breakout itself, a retest, and then a continuation. Even when you're going up, it's a breakout, a retest, and then a continuation. After you are able to identify these on your charts, then it will be easier for you to be able to get entries. And we normally take entries at our retest points. As you can see, it's retest and entry. So after identifying a breakout, you'll anticipate a retest. At the retest, that's where we'll be taking our entry, and then we'll be selling when we're going down. And then also, after a breakout at the retest, that's where we'll be taking our entries, and then we'll be buying when we're going up. So I'll cover a chart now and show you how to identify these on the chart. So guys, what's important here is that you are able to identify the direction of a trend. And remember, like on the video I dropped before, is that in an uptrend you'll be looking for buying opportunities, then in a downtrend you'll be looking for the opposite, which is selling opportunities. So after identifying the direction of the trend, we will need to go to our 1 hour time frame. When we get to our 1 hour time frame, we are trying to identify points in the chart where the market goes against the direction of the trend. So since it's in an uptrend, we are looking for these points. When it starts to go against the direction of the trend, and then after identifying that point, we'll be anticipating for a breakout to happen. So a breakout happens in three stages. So here, a breakout would have been this green candle. Why? Because it closed above this trend line. So after it closes above this trend line, there will be a retest. So a retest happened here. So that's where we'll be looking to buy. So here is our retest, and that area there we'll be looking to buy. Let's try identify another one. So even here we'll have a line opposite the direction of the trend. Then there will be a breakout. After a breakout, it's a retest. So here a retest happened around this area. So this is your buy area. Okay, let's find another point. Another point would be here. Had a line opposite the direction of a trend, and then a 1 hour candlestick closed above the trend line, so that was a breakout, and then a pullback is on this area. So here at the pullback area, that's where we're looking to take our buys. Okay, even here, line opposite the direction of the trend. Breakout is the green candle, went all the way up. Here is your pullback level. So at your pullback level, that's where you'll be looking to take buy entries. Okay, and remember that you are trading from zone to zone, and then you had your support and resistance levels on the daily time frame. So we are moving from one support to the next resistance, one support to the next resistance. So where price is currently at, it's at a high there. So now we can already start trading. Drawing our line opposite to the direction of the trend, and then we will anticipate for a breakout to happen. So breakout can happen at any point in this trend line, and then after the breakout happens, the retest, that's where we'll be taking our buy opportunities. So we'll be looking to identify the retest. At the retest, that's where we'll be taking our buy, and then our target is on our next resistance level, then our stop loss is below our previous low. Okay, so guys, in a downtrend we do the same thing. We identify the direction of the trend first, like this. And after identifying the direction of the trend, we will know that in a downtrend we are looking for sell entries, right? Closer here. And then when we go to our 1 hour time frame, that's where we'll be looking for when the market starts to go against the direction of the trend, right? So we're trying to identify those points. So starting from here, we'll have a line opposite the direction of the trend, right? It's a bit messy here. And then when a 1 hour candlestick closes below that trend line, there's quite a few, and then when it pulls back, that's where we'll be looking to take your sell entries in a downtrend, right? And then here again, have trend line opposite the direction of the trend, then there was a breakout, then a pullback there. That's where we'll be looking to take our sells, right at that area there. Okay, let's cover another one. When the market starts to go against the direction of the trend, wait for 1 hour candlestick to close below the trend line, and then at the pullback area, that's where we'll be taking the sell. Okay, so that area there is a safe sell. Okay, then so now going to where price is at right now, it's still dropping, so we'll wait for price to start going against the direction of the trend. So it's gonna do something like this, and then we'll be having our line opposite the direction of the trend, and then we will anticipate for a breakout to happen, and then at the pullback, so you'll be looking to take an entry, then this thing is gonna continue to fall. Sorry about that. And then we will anticipate for a breakout, pullback, and then a continuation. And at the pullback, that's where we'll be looking to take our sell. So thank you guys for watching. I hope everything was clear, and if something wasn't clear, you can ask on the comments. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.